Hello everybody, welcome to Filmmaking. Today, Bojan Dulabik here. So, did you ever wanted to get a projector RGB light? Stay tuned. Alright, so before we get going, the usual housekeeping. This product was sent to me by DigitalFoto, free of charge for this review. However, as always, they have no influence on this video. They're not reviewing it before it's being published, and all the opinions you're going to hear are my own. So, let's get started. This is the W-S6 Projector RGB light by DigitalFoto. It comes with three modes: a 360-degree RGB mode, bicolor ranging between 2500K to 9000K, and 20 built-in scenes. It also has built-in magnets that allow it to be mounted to any metal surface, and has a 2000 mAh built-in battery that lasts for 2 hours at max strength. Let's take a look at the hardware. On the back there's an LCD display, on-off button, and USB-C port for charging. On the top there are two dials and a cold shoe mount. On the right side there's also a cold shoe mount, and on the left side as well. The on-off button allows you to toggle the different modes. You will find the usual modes such as police car, fireworks, and so on. These can be adjusted with the top left dial, and the strength of the light can be adjusted with the top right dial. Let's take a look at what comes in the box. You get a manual, USB-C cable for charging, and the light itself. The W-S6 allows you to light backgrounds very quickly and with minimum effort. Let's take a look at some examples. So here we have the car in front of a black backdrop on my desk, and this is what it looks like. You have just one light above lighting the car, and then up here is the light mounted to my mic arm just using the built-in magnets. And this is what that looks like. The projector light really creates a nice solid background color that can be changed very easily. Alright, so as you can see, this is a pretty unique light. First of all, I get it right behind me. So as you can see right here, this is see the outline here. That's the light. So it's a very interesting light because unlike a regular RGB video light, this is a projector light. So basically, what that means, like an actual projector, right? It projects the light onto the background, and it creates this round outline, whatever you want to call it, a round shape, and the further away you hold it, the bigger it gets, right? So this is very interesting, and it can be used in very cool ways. So from my experience, this is great for backgrounds, right? So if you need it, if you don't have a lot of lights and you just need to light a certain background, and if you wanted to get especially if you wanted to get a round shape, this could work, right? Or in my case, like I showed you with the model car, I just put it right behind me, or up a little bit up, and I lit the background so you couldn't really see anything. It was just a solid background and that kind of stuff. So it's very interesting, and just because of its unique shape. Now, because of that, it does put it in a more unique category. So I wouldn't call this a versatile light, like just your average light, because it's got a very specific purpose, right? But if you are looking for something like this could be very, very useful for you, right? And it's very tiny, right? And lightweight and all that stuff. And I think all in all, depending on what you're doing, this could be a very useful light for you. I'm definitely going to keep using it. Probably not for this background, because I do want this to be solid, and I don't like this harsh line here, and I just don't have enough space to put it back enough to light the whole thing. But I'm definitely going to use it for my product photography, most likely, and just whatever else comes my way that fits this category. So that's it, guys. Links to everything will be in the description. And as always, if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, tell your friends, and all that good stuff. Thanks.